What up, guys? Welcome back. So one more next month is dropping a brand new pair of earbuds. Going to be their top tier flagship earbuds, the One More Evo. It does come in two different colorways, black and white. I do have the black colorway here. I can unbox them and I can talk a little bit about them. Not a review at all. This is just a first impressions video, an unboxing video. I want to show you guys what they look like. I'll tell you just a couple of my favorite things about these earbuds. I have been using these for a little over a week now, so I have a pretty good idea of how I feel about these earbuds. But let's take a first look at the One More Evo. Now, I did mention these are One More's flagship earbuds that are going to drop, and I'm not going to talk about price today, but what I can tell you is when they launch, I believe it's May 10th, there will be $30 off of the retail price when these launch for a limited time. So you're going to be able to pick these up for $30 off. So if you are going to buy these, that will be the time to do it. But let's take a quick look at the earbuds, and I'll just tell you my initial thoughts and what I think you guys are going to think of these earbuds. So the actual earbuds here, you can see we do have that bronze branding, the bronze accented color here with the matte black finish on this case. And it's a nice feeling case. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. The lid is strong, it stays open, and I do like that on a pair of earbuds. And you can see here that we do have one LED light. Now, if we take a look at the actual earbuds, again, this does come in a white colorway as well, which I do not have the white colorway, but the black color. Now, the actual earbud is a matte finish, but the top of the earbud is that glossy mirror finish with with the bronze accent around the top of the actual earbud. And you can see it is trying to pair right now, and very nice. These are clean looking earbuds. I do like them. They're not chunkers. They're not tiny earbuds. They're kind of in the middle. And for me, they've been fine as far as fit goes with these earbuds. Now, I'm not going to go too much into specs with these earbuds, but a few things that I do like. If you are on Android, of course, LDAC support on here is a big deal. And just a few of the other things, you guys know there's going to be ANC on here, which is good. And it does say up to 42 decibels of outside noise that it will drown out, which is a big deal, right? That is really good when it comes to ANC, depending on the price, right? It does depend on what you are getting these for. And if you guys want to know the price, you're just going to have to wait till I drop that full review video. I can say one other thing that I really do enjoy is finding little things that you could do with these earbuds. And when you guys get these inside of the app, okay, I haven't seen any promotion on this feature, but inside of the app under experimental features, there is one feature that I did try and it does work, and I am excited about that feature on these earbuds. And if you stay tuned for the review video, I will show you exactly what I'm talking about and how it works. But look, first impressions on the One More Evo. These things are a fantastic pair of earbuds so far, and I'm really enjoying them. And shout out to One More for sending these over. And you know, One More did ask me to do an unboxing so you guys can get a first look. Can't really talk about much else, but let me know what you think of the One More Evo and just how they look. I think they look really nice. Again, they do feel premium. They don't feel cheap at all. The case feels nice. The earbuds have a little bit of weight to them. It's a good build on here, and I do like these earbuds so far. But let me know what you think of the look, the black and the white colorway. I wish I had the white colorway to show you, but I'm sure you can find that on YouTube or online somewhere and check those out. But the One More Evo, high-res audio wireless. Keep that in your head, guys. High-res audio, LDAC support on Android. I think we got a winner here, guys, but I'll be back with a full review soon. Peace.